Can you turn off a Chromebook with just keyboard keys? Well, usually if you want to turn off a Chromebook device, you have to click on the clock icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, just right on the shelf. And you want to click on this icon, and after that you have the option to shut down, restart, sign out, or lock from the device. And these things are easy to access, but what if you don't have any access to the cursor or the touchscreen might be broken? Can you just control the Chromebook and turn it off with just keyboard keys? Well, the answer is yes. Yes, you can. It's going to be taking a bit longer, but it is possible. So the keyboard keys that are going to be involved are the tab keys and the arrow keys. So I'm going to show you the keys that are important and make sure that those keys are working. So first is for the tab keys, we are going to use that, and also the arrow keys right here to navigate on the thing that we want to interact with. Now that we understand what keys that are going to be involved, let's do that. Let's access the shutdown option with just keyboard keys. So first, I'm going to put the cursor here, and I'm not going to move it. I'm going to just using the keyboard keys that I just shown you. First, you have to press the tab key on the keyboard. Now, notice anything on the launcher menu at the bottom left corner. You'll see that there is a selection. Now you can use the arrow key to move that selection around. So I'm going to press the right arrow key. I'm going to press it again, until we get to the icon, to this clock icon. And I'm going to press enter. And after that, we can use the up arrow. Oh, sorry, not up. We have to press the tab key because now we are on a different section. Press the tab key again. Now we can use the keyboard arrow key to navigate, or maybe not. Okay, so there are some devices where it is possible, but sometimes you cannot use the arrow key. If that happens, then you can press the tab key again until we get to the thing that we want to interact with. So this is going to take quite some time. You have to press tab again, and I'm going to press enter. And I'm going to use the arrow key to navigate on the thing that I'm going to select. Now, once you are on the shutdown option, you can press enter and the device will be turned off. So it's really simple. Just use the tab key, the arrow keys, and of course the enter key to confirm the interaction. So that's how you can do it. And if you find this tutorial to be helpful, then please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next tutorial video. Take care.